Hey everyone, today we are tackling a topic that's always top of mind for so many of you. How to find clients as a UX UI designer, how to pitch them without sounding pushy, and how to secure those dream projects. If you're tired of hearing vague advice like just network or build a portfolio, this video is for you. And we are going to talk real strategies that actually work. And I mean the stuff that will make clients see your value instantly. Here's the thing, being a talented designer isn't enough if clients don't understand the impact you can bring, and you need to know how to position yourself as a solution to their problems, how to communicate your value, and how to make them see as the right fit. And maybe you're a great designer but struggle to explain your worth in a way that lands clients, or maybe you've sent out tons of proposals only to get ghosted or underpaid offers, and it's frustrating, right? I totally get it, and many designers feel stuck because they think they just need a better portfolio, but really it's all about your pitch, package, and present yourself. I recently put together something I'm really excited about, and it's a free material for you called Client Compass. It's like a little course. It's a step-by-step guide specifically for UX UI designers who want to attract clients, pitch with confidence, and secure projects, all without sounding too salesy. I'm talking actionable steps, scripts, and real-life examples that you can plug into your process right away. And I also have to mention it's completely free because I appreciate you guys a lot, and that's my gift to you for being such an amazing viewers, such an amazing subscribers, for supporting and following me. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Alright, but let me give you a sneak peek. The manual that I created is split into 6 modules that cover everything from finding the right clients to crafting proposals that actually get responses. I will talk about defining your ideal client profile. So I will not just reaching out to random people, but clients who need what you do. And we'll cover pitching. I've got a whole module dedicated to pitching in different scenarios because let's face it, pitching to a CEO of a tech startup isn't the same as pitching to a small wellness brand, and I will show you how to adapt and nail it every single time. I will also walk you through creating polished proposals, delivering your offers, negotiating without feeling awkward, and finally closing the deal. By the end, you will not only know how to win clients, you will know how to build strong, lasting relationship with them. I wanted this course to feel like you're learning from a mentor, not just reading a series of tutorials. This is all actionable stuff, you guys. No fluff, no filler. Every script, template, and example is something you can immediately apply. So if you're ready to go from just another designer to a designer clients want to work with, this course is definitely for you. And check out the link in the description to learn more about Client Compass. There is nothing that you are losing or missing here. If you're really serious about leveling up your freelance game, I would love you guys to have this one. So let's make getting clients the easiest part of being a designer. And thank you guys for watching, and remember, great design deserves great clients. Let's go get them. Bye.